In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a Facebook page in just 10 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So one of the most common questions that I get on many of my videos is, what is the process that I use to create my Facebook pages? As you guys know, I have multiple Facebook pages with hundreds of thousands of likes, and basically I'm able to make money with those Facebook pages using Facebook Instant Articles, using Facebook ad breaks, using Google AdSense, and blogging in general, and mostly with affiliate marketing. And so what I want to do in this video is show you the process that I personally use to create my Facebook pages, hopefully to give you some ideas and hopefully to show you what you can do if you want to jump into making money with Facebook pages. Now, before we actually jump into the video, what I want you to do is to go to the description below and download my free affiliate marketing guide, which is going to break down the entire process of making money with affiliate marketing. If you want to know how I personally built a full-time income online, you can download it for free, and you can learn exactly how you can go from nothing to making, $1,000 per month, $2,000 per month, whatever amounts of money you want to make. You can definitely do it with affiliate marketing. All right, so most people know exactly how to create a Facebook page, but before you do that, the one thing you got to ask yourself is, what is the purpose of this Facebook page? Why you want to build a Facebook page? How are you going to monetize it? So this is all the questions that you got to ask yourself before you even create the Facebook page. So for example, if you're looking to build a Facebook page for your personal brand, because you want to brand yourself, you want to be able to promote courses and just build an audience using your name, that's fine, but you got to keep in mind that you're going to be monetizing that in a whole different way. If you are looking to monetize your Facebook page using Facebook Instant Articles or Facebook ad breaks, that is something to consider. It just depends on the purpose of your page. But overall, what I typically do when it comes to building Facebook pages, I usually build Facebook pages when I want to make money blogging, basically using Facebook Instant Articles, Google AdSense and things like that, because I want to monetize what I'm going to be doing with that Facebook page. Now, if you're watching this video because you want to learn how to build an income using Facebook pages, using something like Facebook Instant Articles, then you can go and watch this video that talks about the process that I use to build a Facebook page for making money with Instant Articles. You can also watch this video, which shows you how you can monetize your Facebook pages once you actually have a following, how you can monetize the videos that you post on your Facebook page so you can make money using ad revenue from your videos. Typically, that is the type of pages that I usually build. I like to make money from my pages, so I like to make sure that if I'm jumping into a niche, that I'm able to monetize that niche and I know exactly what I need to do. And so in this example, I'm actually going to jump into my computer, show you what I like to do, the process that I like to basically build the Facebook page. I'm going to show you how I build it and some of the resources that you can use to help you build your first Facebook page if you're looking to make money using something like Facebook Instant Articles or blogging or the Facebook Video Ad Breaks program. So with that in mind, let's jump into my computer. Alright, so the first thing that I like to do before creating a Facebook page is investigating a little bit about the niche that I want to jump into. In this case, like I said before, if you want to make money with Facebook Instant Articles or Facebook Video Ad Breaks, news related topics work really well for me, mainly because I can update my Facebook page daily with new piece of content from whatever is going on in that niche. So in this case, I like to use a website called Name Checker, and basically I've decided to create a Facebook page about let's say fights or boxing or MMA. So in this case, I'm gonna go with a fight, let's say Square. I'm gonna hit search. So what this tool actually is doing is searching for available usernames or Facebook pages using that name. So in this case, it is available for Facebook. It's not available for domainname.com, but it is available for .net. That means I could register my domain name for my blog with 5square.net. And this is also something that I like to do with every single new Facebook page that I created. Is basically I will go and secure that domain name. That way, if I create a Facebook page, I don't have that risk of someone else buying that domain name and me losing that domain name for my Facebook page. In this case, I'm not going to do that because this is just an example. So this is just to show you guys the process that I used. But if I were to actually create a Facebook page on a specific topic, that is the first thing that I do, which is buy a domain name along with creating that Facebook page. The next step is to just simply create that Facebook page. So once you go to your Facebook account, it's going to have a little create section on the top. And then from there, you can just click on it and it'll ask you what do you want to create. And then you can choose Facebook page. This is where we go to the creation process, I guess. And we just hit get started. Now it's going to ask us, okay, what type of Facebook page you want to create. Is it a business or a brand? In this case, we're going to create Fight Square. That's going to be the name of our page. And then for category, we can choose something like news media website. And then from there, we'll continue. And the reason why we selected news media website is because this is going to be a blog. Basically, in our blog, we're going to post daily new information about fights that are coming up in boxing, or we can also talk about MMA fights that are happening this weekend, or anything related to whatever is going on in that niche. The next thing it's going to ask you to do is to create a profile picture, and then it's going to ask you to create a Facebook cover. Now for this, if you don't have a lot of money, in the beginning you can do it yourself, especially because you're growing your Facebook page. Then once you start making some money, you can pay a designer to just create a nice logo or a nice Facebook cover if you want to do that. But in the beginning, if you want to make sure that you look semi-professional, you can use something like Canva, which allows you to just make it yourself. You can see that there's a Facebook cover option here. You can click on it. They'll have a bunch of templates that you can use. You can have a semi-professional looking Facebook cover and Facebook profile. In this case, I'm not going to do that for now. I'm just going to skip. All right, so here we go. We have the Facebook page, and as you can see, it says create a page username. If you click on that, it's gonna ask you if you want to create a username for your Facebook page. So if we're gonna click Fight Square, and as you can see, it is available because we make sure that it was available. So we're gonna create username, and now the username has been created. So we have our branding set up. So imagine if you had a nice Facebook cover, you have your profile picture, you have your username for your Facebook page, and you also have the domain name for that Facebook page, meaning that you can set up your blog and start creating the content for your blog. By the way, if you want to get a free domain name for your Facebook page to set up your blog, you can use Bluehost, which is the company that I used to launch my first few blogs. Basically, for every single brand new blog that I create, I like to use Bluehost because they'll give you some nice resources, and they're pretty easy to use, and they have great support. So if you want to check it out, go to the description below so you can get that discount. So guys, as you can see, creating a Facebook page, it's extremely easy. There's no complicated setup. It's very easy to do. The next things that you have to do is just go to the about section and just fill up the about section if you want to do that. But if you want to start sending likes, you want to make sure you have a Facebook profile picture, your cover set up, your about section has 50% of the content. It's in there talking about what the page is all about. And then you want to start creating some content for the page. You want to start uploading some pictures. You want to have at least 10 to 15 pictures, maybe one video or piece of content related to your page. That way the page doesn't look empty. But this is just the beginning of the process. Creating the Facebook page is just the beginning. The next process is basically just growing your Facebook page to make sure that you'll be able to make money from your page. And that is what we're going to talk about right now. Okay, so now that you've seen the process that I used to basically create my Facebook page, the one thing that you got to keep in mind is that if you want to build your Facebook page to a large audience, you have to invest money. That is the fastest way to do it. There's no free way to do it. The free way to do it is basically you sharing the content and in Facebook groups and trying to grow your Facebook page using just content by itself. but it's a very slow process and it's gonna take you a lot of time. So if you want to grow fast, the best way to do it is basically by investing money. You can invest $100, you can invest $500, you can invest $1,000. It just depends on how fast you want to grow. And the best way to invest is using Facebook ads, because you don't want to buy Facebook likes from websites that you don't know. You don't want to buy fake Facebook likes or fake followers. You want to get real people who are going to engage with your content. It's going to help you grow over time, and that is how you build a large Facebook audience. How do you actually create an ad to grow a Facebook page? Well, I have 3 videos that show you exactly how to do that. You can go to my YouTube channel and watch this video, Facebook ads for beginners. It's going to break down the process of creating an ad inside of Facebook and how you can actually grow your Facebook page to 1,000 followers, 10,000 likes if you want to do that. It just depends on your budget and how fast you want to do it. But once you get to that point, the next step is to just make sure you have consistent daily content on your Facebook page. If you're talking about boxing, like in this example, you want to post boxing memes every single day. You want to upload videos that are related to your niche. You can actually find boxing highlights, but you want to make sure you're not using music that's copyrighted or anything that could actually hurt your Facebook page. It's going to cost you some money in the beginning, but once you get to 10,000 likes, if you continue to post daily on your Facebook page, you'll be able to actually grow, because people are going to start sharing that content on Facebook, and you're going to get new organic likes for your Facebook page without paying for them. At this point, you can start monetizing your Facebook page, and this actually shouldn't take more than 90 days. Since you build your Facebook page to 90 days after you build your Facebook page, you should have at least 10,000 likes on your Facebook page if you're investing money into Facebook ads. Once you go past 10,000 likes, it's a lot easier to grow, because the more content you post, the more likely you are to hit a viral piece of content where you can get 10,000 shares or something like that, and that's going to drive even more likes to your page. That's going to help you make more money with Facebook instant articles. That's going to help you make more money with Facebook video ad breaks. So guys, this is not rocket science. This is not something that you gotta invest $5,000 to learn how to do. This is something that you can do right now. It's a matter of just taking action and learning the process as you go along. So I'm going to summarize this video for you in a way that's easy to understand. Number 1, identify a niche that you want to jump into. I chose boxing as my example, but I can typically find boxing information, boxing news every single day that I can create content and use something like Canva or create memes or something related to that, which I can use to deliver my content to my followers on Facebook. Once you have identified your audience and you know how to find that audience using Facebook ads, you can grow that Facebook page to 10,000 likes. 10,000 likes, I believe it's the magic number, because once you pay, let's say that you're paying $500 to get to 10,000 likes over 3 months. Once you get to 10,000 likes, you can stop paying for likes if you want, and you can just grow your Facebook page organically using the content that you're creating every single day. If you're using a boxing niche, for example, you can typically find boxing related news that you can rewrite and make it your own and post it on your blog, and then you can share that in your Facebook page. And that's how you make money with Facebook instant articles. There's nothing fancy. You simply need to get into the program. Once you get accepted, the more traffic you get, the more money you can make. So every single Facebook page that I create, I make sure that I have the domain name for that name that I want to use for my Facebook page, that I have the name on my Facebook page, and also that I can use that name later on if I want to set up a YouTube channel. Last step is basically to just scale your Facebook page to grow as big as you can using content. So you can't stop publishing content on your Facebook page. You have to place content on your Facebook page every single day. What I did in the beginning is I would take 3-4 hours in a day, and I would create about 14 and 15 pieces of content every single day for one specific Facebook page. Then I would schedule 2-3 pieces of content every single day for an entire week, and that way I don't have to worry about every single day having to create a piece of content. Using this method, basically, allows you to be consistent, because you want to be consistent on Facebook. You want to be able to publish content every single day, but not everyone has, an hour to 2 hours per day to create content. So you want to make sure that you sit down, 3-4 hours in one day to just create 14, 15, 20 pieces of content for the entire week for your Facebook page. And for that, you can outsource it if you want to do it. But if you don't have a lot of money, you can do it yourself. You're looking for videos that you might be able to use on your Facebook page. So with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you received a lot of value from this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.